Hey, welcome back to the set, y'all. I appreciate you stopping in. Today we're going to do some beautiful quesadillas. I love a good quesadilla. Might be one of my most favorite dishes of all time. And we're going to try to church it up just a little bit, y'all. But hey, sit tight, get ready. It's going to be some good groceries. That's some good groceries. First things first, we need to get our Blackstone pre-warmed, okay, y'all? And once we cut it on, we want to get these burners, we're just going to put them all on low. After you got your Blackstone warmed, we're going to head over, we're going to start prepping some of our vegetables for our chicken quesadillas. Just got a red pepper here. I love using red peppers. They're nice and sweet, just really flavorful. And it also looks very good too. Next, we got a red onion. I like using red onion also, colorful, and I don't know, just like the taste. I like to make these kind of small pieces. You could use whatever onion you want. You can do sweet onions, red onions, whatever you like, or omit onions. But I like the red onions. One thing I also like about quesadillas is have a nice sauce to go with it. Not just some ordinary sour cream. I like to church it up a little bit. So I'm going to make a chipotle sour cream to go with these beautiful quesadillas. Just going to come in here and add a nice little dollop of sour cream. And I got a can of chipotles here in adobo sauce. Love, love, love this. Some of this adobo sauce, I'm just going to put over here into our sour cream. Gives it a nice smoky flavor. So I just used one chipotle pepper here, and I'm just going to dice this up real fine, just like this. Kick that up just a little bit more. I'm going to use a little bit of this Blackstone street taco seasoning. Stir that up. To really waken these flavors up, I like to take a lime. It also thins out your sauce just a little bit. I'm just going to give this a little bit of a try here. It's going to go good on some quesadillas. Can't have a quesadilla without some really ooey gooey cheese. For that cheese, I like to use Oaxaca cheese. Beautiful Oaxaca cheese, melts. Gosh, it just melts so good. So I'm going to do some of that. Plus we're going to use just some regular Mexican shredded cheese that you get from your refrigerated cheese section at your supermarket. If you can't find Oaxaca, just use whatever cheese you like, whatever cheese you can find. Can't have a chicken quesadilla without, well, chicken. I'm doing chicken breast here. You feel free to use chicken thighs if you like. It works well with chicken thighs. But place where I shop at, they actually have chicken already cubed up for you. So it makes it nice for me. Last thing to do here, y'all, we just got to get this chicken. We got to get it seasoned up. Our griddle top's nice and pre-warmed, and we're going to get our vegetables down. First things first, we're going to add a little bit of, this is avocado oil, peppers, and then our onions. All right, we just want to cook these until they're nice and soft, tender, to the way you like it. You like it a little more al dente, you know, take it al dente, but we're going kind of soft. And that's going to take 2 to 3 minutes or so. We're just going to mix these all together. Since everybody likes these vegetables, kick it up a little notch. Want to use some more of this street taco. So our chicken, same thing, a little avocado oil. Where we season this, we want that on the griddle first, so we're just going to come. Let's hit this other side, a little bit more of this street taco. Now I want to give you a pro tip. This is what I like to do here. We're going to take a lime, cut it in half. Take your cut side lemons, lay that on the griddle. Probably saying, why, Hussey, why? It gives it a little bit of a smoky flavor, the flesh of that cut side. It opens the lime up, and you can squeeze it, and you get a lot more juice out of it. So you just want to work your chicken, work it around just until it's done. You don't want it burnt, just work it around so it doesn't get hot, doesn't get burned, doesn't get charred. These vegetables are nice and soft, just exactly the way I'm looking. I'm just going to bring it up here to the top of the griddle, just so it's not real hot up here. Just kind of keeps it nice and warm. Check out these limes. It's got a nice char on it. The sugars, natural sugars in the lime, they've caramelized, and that just means extra flavor. And I like to come in here, just put that over my chicken. Just kind of mix that up. We want some flavor on these as well. So again, we got this other lime right here. Put those peppers up here. I'm actually going to turn this burner here off so nothing really cooks any longer. Hey, if you haven't already, hit that thumbs up button. Go ahead and leave a comment if you got one. I'd love to interact with you. All right, let's clean up our griddle just a little bit for our tortillas. We're gonna add a little bit of butter. Butter is awesome for tortillas. Gives a nice crust. So we're just gonna come here and put our tortillas down. So we're gonna lay some of this Oaxaca cheese down. Now we're gonna do a little bit of chicken. We'll do some vegetables. We're just gonna come here with that Mexican blend cheese. This is how I do them. Some people say this is not a quesadilla. I don't know. All right, once your outside's nice and crispy to the way you like it, these things are done. Let's get these off. Let's go to the cutting board. Y'all, these quesadillas look amazing, but we're not done yet. We gotta slice these dudes up. So I'm gonna use old trusty pizza rocker. All right, so I finished cutting all the quesadillas. I just kind of cut them up into threes, okay? All right, for a little bit of color, I like to come in here, just a little bit of just fresh cilantro. Best part of the job is right now, get to try these bad boys. Which one do I want? Which one do I want? Ooh, I want this one right here. I like this right here. You see all that cheese? I got those peppers running through there. Woo-hoo-hoo! It's gonna be good groceries. First, I'm gonna try it without sauce. Cheers. Y'all, Oaxaca cheese is where it's at. I want to try some of this sauce. Cheers. 10 times better. Man, what I like is that smoky chipotle. Really, really shines through. I taste that street taco seasoning, and then that lime really wakens everything up. This is fantastic. Y'all give these chicken quesadillas a try. I am sure you will love it. But hey, don't run off. Go on over to Blackstone Products YouTube page. Check out all my other friends and all their other great content. I'm Matt Hussey, and this is some good groceries.